Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to revisit the subqueries section and we'll see some advanced type of subqueries. So let's get started. Let's take one simple example that I wanted to display the information of employee who earn more than average salary of department number 10. So the query for that will be select employee number and name from employee where salary is greater than. We write the subquery to get the average salary of department number 10. So we'll execute this query. Oh, so semicolon over here is missing. Okay, so we get, so instead of showing just employee name and employee number and name, let's display the salary also. Okay, so we get the answer. Suppose we want to take a further level up to this question. Suppose we again want to display the information of employees who earn more than department number 10, the average salary of department number 10, but we want to display the information only of department number 10. So the question will be, we'll have to get the information of employees of department number 10 who earn more than the average salary of department number 10. So with this where clause we'll again have one more condition, and department number is equals to 10. So let's display the department number as also. So there are two employees in department number 10 and only one, that is employee number 2, earns more than the average salary of, that is 7,000 and 17,000. Now suppose the similar way I wanted to display the information of employees from department 20 earning more than average salary of department 20 and so on for department 30 as well. So if we go in this manner, if we write the question that we have to get the information of employees who earn more than the average salary within their department. So the query for that will be select employee number, employee name, salary and department number from employee where salary is greater than, select average salary from employee where condition. Now here what we want is that the employee, we want to display the details of employee who earn more than the average salary of their department. So for employee number 1 and 2 we'll have to check with the average salary of department number 10. For employee number 4 and 5, the information that will be displayed, first we'll need to calculate the average salary of department number 20. So that means in here the department number that we have, where department number is not fixed. In general what happens, that subquery is executed only once and that result is taken as an output to execute the outer query. But in this case the inner query, the department number will be as, it has to be the exactly equivalent with the current row that is outer query is working in. So we'll have a alias name to column and to table, and we'll write e dot department number. So in this case what is happening, that inner query is taking the reference of outer table, that is e in this case. So this query will execute each and every number of times, that every time the outer query executes. So in previous case we had 6 records, so outer query got executed for 6 times and inner query executed only once. But in this case for each row processing of outer query, the inner query will also execute. This type of subquery we call it as a correlated subquery. So in correlated subquery, the inner query not only execute only once, but it executes each time the outer query row is processed and the inner query will always have the outer reference. In this case we have the outer reference, that is E. So we'll see the output of this. Yes, so we get the two informations from employee number, so from department number 10 and department number 20. So that's it for correlated subqueries. So thanks for watching and happy learning.